Hello everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to another mixtape with Mage. I just want to show you a quick one on how to solve the problem between kick and bass relationship. Before I go into the video, I really want to say thank you to everybody who has been watching, showing support to the channel. It really means a lot to us and really appreciate you from here at the Mage Studios. So thank you very much. So today I just want to show you a quick one on how to solve the problem between bass and the kick. I have a kick here and a lug drum playing together almost at the same time when the kick and the lug drum plays. So I would play it for you to listen and hear how the kick is being a bit overshadowed by the lug drum. I trust you could hear that. The kick has a double bounce, which the lug drum hits at the same time with it, which has actually drowned the other side of the lug drum, of the kick rather. So I'll be using a plugin called Kickstart by Cable Guys. It's Kickstart 2. It's a sidechain plugin. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be sidechaining the kick and the bass together. This is my lug drum track. I'm adding the instance of Kickstart 2 to it, and I'm also going to the sidechain here to add my kick to the sidechain as well. And I will be choosing some of these shapes to actually work better together with the kick to see how it's been solved. So let's hear this. Turning it on already, you can hear how the kick is being separated already. Even from the visual here, we can see the kick being separated. So what this curve is showing us is anything in between this will not be affected, or will not be affecting the kick rather. So the kick has space to move freely. Can you hear it's being docked now and after? But we can hear that the sidechain effect is too much, so we need to pull back a bit. As you can hear that the kick has its room already, and the lug drum is actually giving space for that to pass through. So try this on anything, your bass and your kick, and this would actually solve the problem of them actually fighting for the same space in your mix, and you actually will have a clean mix using this trick. So try this trick, try it on your kick and your bass,